Hello everyone, welcome to the next video where we are building this remote control car which will be controlled through your phone, and we have a dart system which will throw Nerf gun darts. So let's get started.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So now let's understand the working of this car. So what are the components we are using? Node MCU, relay, Arduino Uno, motor driver, battery placeholder, one servo motor for holding this dart system and one for triggering the dart system. So how it works is this is our node MCU module which is connected to the mobile. So from mobile, when we send a signal as move forward or move backward, so this send a signal to our motor driver which control these four wheels. So when user press the forward direction button, what happens is it sends a signal to the motor driver which in response send the signals to these four wheels to move in the forward direction. So all the wheels move in the forward direction causes the forward motion. Similarly, when we press the backward key, all the wheel moves in the backward direction which causes the backward motion. Now coming to the moving the car in the left and right is little bit tricky. What happens is in order to move left or right, this forward wheel move in one direction. Say for moving right, it moves in the forward direction, and this forward left wheel move in the backward direction which causes the motion as left and right. Now coming to the dart system, we have connected our Arduino Uno with servo motor which is triggered through this node MCU. So when we press the button, this node MCU sends a signal to the relay board which gets on, and this gives power to the Arduino. So we have programmed the Arduino. Once it is powered, this controls our servo motor. So this is our dart system. So this servo motors get triggered and it presses this button. Inside this we have a spring which is initially in the compressed form. So once we press this spring is uncompressed, which result in the throwing of the dart. So for example, now it is in compressed form. So here we place our dart. This is our holder. So now once this button is pressed, this will get uncompressed and it will throw the dart. So this is how the whole car works. Hello guys, as you can see the car is connected to my mobile and I am giving power directly from the adapter, and also I am provided the 1.5 volt 4 cell to power the node MCU in order to run the car. So let's test it. Car moving forward, moving backward. Now let's trigger the dart system. Whoa. Trial 3. Initiating the dart system. 3, 2, 1. Closing the dart system. Initiating the bomb system. Initiating. Closing.